So here's a quick tutorial on how to change Blogger theme. First of all, open up your web browser and search for Blogger. After searching for Blogger, you need to click on the first link on the results, which is for blogger.com. So once you go into the Blogger website, you need to sign up or log in to your existing account. So click on Sign In on the top right corner. And as you can see, we're already logged into our Blogger account and we have a few blog posts. And now you need to go over to the left panel and click on View Blog. After that, you will be redirected to your blog post like this. And as you can see, we have a theme selected. Now go back and click on Theme from the left panel. After that, you'll be able to see your current theme on the top. Now, if you scroll through, you will get to see a lot of options to choose from. Just select the one that you like and click on Apply from the available options right here. So once you click on Apply, this new theme will be added to your blog instantly. Now, to check out your new theme, click on View Blog again. And once it loads up, you will see that the theme is now changed. And that is exactly how to change Blogger theme.